First, the top news headlines. Students from Northeast protest against Citizenship Amendment Act in New Delhi. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan flagged off cycle rally to 3 Southeast Asian nations. And West Bengal government stops internet services after anti-CAA protests intensified. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Students from Northeast India in New Delhi today staged a protest demonstration against the Citizens Amendment Act 2019 at Jantar Mantar, demanding protection of the basic values of the Constitution and rights of indigenous people of India's Northeast. They also condemned the police brutalities meted out to demonstrators. The protest was also in solidarity with the people of the Northeast, especially Assam and Meghalaya, where the situation is still tense after the CAB was passed in the parliament. At the demonstration site, Manipur Students Association Delhi President Anas Khan strongly condemned the government for trying to foil the ongoing protests through police brutalities against students and protesters of Northeast. He also condemned the Manipur government for allegedly keeping mum over CAA and trying to deceive the masses on the pretext of protecting the people by inner line permit. Anas urged people of Manipur to stand united in protesting against CAA.
Men ek asi ki mayokta protest auduna hojik Delhi da university kaya close down tore chhatra kaya kuba chaiba yaure then Assam da hojik mi kaya amarum sire Tripura da mi kaya amarum sire daga asida haining ebali Manipur gi paliba lenga asina citizenship amendment ek asina karimata Manipur da asok pa lairoi haiduna ILP innerline permit yamna chamba sorob regulation ek asibo trump card ama oina senaduna Prajamayambu Thamaiduna Thambasi Manipur Student Assembly na yamna strongly condemn tawze aduga hojik Manipur da hawriba ihau hojik Citizenship Amendment mayoki Amendment Act ki mayokta sangseliba movement asidagi henna yamna intense oiba movement ama mayam punamukta changsinminasi haina appeal tawjre.
Meanwhile, 3 buses have been set ablaze by alleged anti-citizenship act protester near Delhi Jamanagar area, following which 4 fire tenders have been rushed to the spot, according to a report. Police used batons to disperse the protester. The students of Jamia Millia Islamia disassociated themselves from the violence. Delhi Traffic Police said that vehicle movement was closed from Okhla underpass to Sarita, Bihar due to demonstration. The demonstrator blocked Mathura Road opposite New Friends Colony. Traffic from Badarpur and Ashram Chowk was diverted to alternative routes due to the road blockade. The varsity had turned into a battlefield on Friday, with the students and the police clashing after the protester wanted to march to the parliament against the contentious amendment to the act. Meanwhile, extending solidarity to the ongoing mass anti-citizenship amendment act protests in the Northeast states and showing respect to all the protesters who lose their life and those who sustain injuries, people from all walks of life today staged a silent protest in front of Kangla in Imphal. Teachers, students, journalists, filmmakers, social workers, artists and athletes took part in the demonstration. On the sidelines of the protest, Imphal Times editor Rinku Khumukcham expressed that the silent protest extends solidarity to the all victims of the anti-CAA protests in Assam, Tripura and Meghalaya.
Moi silent prayer tawni mokoi leigidaba khoi athoba thobi sing Assamgi indigenous population kannana bhona bada leirib sing dugi damakta moigi thawaina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯅ ꯆꯤꯛꯅ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯇꯗ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯈꯪꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯑꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Separately, several bodybuilders also stuck a sit-in demonstration against CAA at Singzamai Bazaar in Imphal today. Manipur MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today flagged off a 40-day cycle rally to 3 Southeast Asian nations. The 4 cyclists are from National Institute of Mountaineering and Elite Sports. The cycle rally carrying the masses of Cycle for Green Earth was flagged off from Kangla in Imphal. The cycle trip will cover Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia, which is a distance of about 4,000 kilometers. Speaking at the event, Dr. Ranjan wished the team a good luck and said the trip will foster cordial relations amongst the Northeast states and neighboring countries.
And I pray to God the team should reach the destinations without any disturbance and without any difficulties, and please bring the Laurent and come back to the nation again with a good hope for future growth in these expeditions.
At the event, a memorandum of understanding was also signed between Manipur Mountaineering and Training Academy and NIMAS. The memorandum agrees that students of MMTA will get training under NIMAS and also to take part in various national-level adventurous programs. The West Bengal government has stopped internet services in some of the districts of the state, following 3 days of sporadic violence in both South and North Bengal against the citizens' amendment act. According to media reports, vehicles were set afire at Satrangachi in Howrah district of West Bengal yesterday. Bengal's Nadia, Vardhaman, Birbhum, North 24 Parganas and Howrah district witnessed violence on arterial roads and market areas. Agitators blocked various thoroughfares, set fires to wooden logs on the street in Amdanga and Kalyani areas of North 24 Parganas and Nadia district respectively. Shops were ransacked and tires burned in parts of North 24 Parganas. Meanwhile, Trinamool Congress Secretary General Partha Chatterjee appealed for peace and assured the protesters that the Amendment Act would not be implemented in the state. Ishwar Nayak, a resident of Tangla in Udalguri district in Assam, who was injured during an anti-CAA protest in Guwahati on Wednesday, succumbed to his injuries today. According to media reports, the 25-year-old was shot at front behind while he was protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Bill in downtown area of the city on Wednesday. He was working in Fashion Big Bazaar for the last 1 year. Battling with life and death for 4 days, the 25-year-old Nayak succumbed to his injuries on Sunday, and with his demise, the date toll in anti-CAA related shooting touched 5 in the state. Around 25% received bullet injuries and another 50 civilians were injured during clashes with security forces. Three persons were injured today when a bid car in which they were traveling lost control and hit an electric pole at Sunusifai Makhalekai under Moirang Police Station of Bishnupur district. Reportedly, all the injured were taken to a nearby hospital. A team of Moirang police arrived at the spot following the mishap. And now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, brainstorming workshop on trade dynamism or drug dynamism, a challenge of Indo-Myanmar border trade held at Muri.
Ano ba mo dinungay po? Government ki thaba ma soy na phangba yargani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnabagidamakta guarantee piduna lagli. India gi oina sarkar gi thabak khwaidagi masing ena phangaliba ICS coaching center Imphal da sohanagan. ICS ki thoidokba officers singdi course amakhaki preparation tobiraga tungan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haiba singa sida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga changadaba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve toba ngamani. Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adomgi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lawjari. Christmas ki oiba kadamba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nitainanda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Aikoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Riyamang ramdao mikyo ikon goy buni yanko
Welcome back. Meetai Council More organized a brainstorming workshop on trade dynamism or drug dynamism, a challenge of Indo-Myanmar border trade at Ima Kondong, Lairambi Haraubung today. Professor N. Mohindro, Likla Proprietor, T.H. Joy Kumar, Superintendent of Police, CPF-T, T. Bijando, Tengnopal Superintendent of Police, T.H. Bikramjit Singh, Telem Dara, General Secretary of Bharatiya Kishan Sangha, MCM, President M. Thoiva, and representatives of other civil society organizations of More attended the workshop. Ways for enhancing the Indo-Myanmar trade activities and curbing trafficking managed were deliberated during the workshop.
Lifelong marching as a drug dependent or we are possibility. Young Chong Lay. I don't know that I got we lama for which me 10,000 name day, but when she drug addict or reality, film the lady. I don't know, Masi sing as a winner. At any instance, a quick Gamjal Tak owner, Masi, Putori sing as public Prajada Yongidaba, Masi, Hanagi, Pandan level.
I quite the Kanaraga, Kupna brainstorming sessions in me Yabayam the Vanati, Masak Naiba me Karak Toraga, Karmanto Sige. Kari Kari Baro Sakara High Sige, Kari Kari Manipur Sakara High Sige, Tabak on the Karito Sige, they never choose high with the bar, Yam Harona Yari. The loan, it was the canary to see when the trade dynamism and a coin. Masin Hengali see, employment Hengali, income Hengali, production Hengali, me Amaga, intellect over the Loxin to Hengali, Masikun trade dynamism coin. Yampai.
The campaign for social upliftment Kanglei Park today observed International Human Rights Day at the auditorium of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, Jiribam. ADC Jiribam and Bamkin Sin, retired principal of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, S. Maniton Singh, additional superintendent of Police Jiribam District, H. Basulan Singh, retired deputy inspector of school, C.H. Sunamani Singh, shared the dais during the event. Assistant Professor MU Department of Law Nangmairakpam Brajakanta, Assistant Professor Jiri of Assistant Professor Jiri College Dr. Arun Kumar Mangang, Advocate Sukham Premjit and Advocate Arambam Damodar were the resource person. N. Banking Singh said that human rights are inalienable and inherent rights of an individual. S. Maniton Singh said human rights are inseparable parts of our life. A painting competition was held to mark the day. A group of people from Manipur celebrated Event Christmas last evening at the Nagaland House located at Lok Kalyan Marg, New Delhi. The joyous event was held on the theme, Joy to the World. The evening was mesmerized by musical performances, kids gaming zone and different attractive stalls. International model cum social activist Dina Mayang Lambam, who was the organizer of the event, said that through the celebration, we try to bring love, peace and understanding among different groups.
December ki tang tara mari asida Delhi da Abdul Kalam Road ta Nagaland House da akoina Christmas party program ase tawjabani asida akoina program Christmas party se akoina tawjabagi maram di hantak ki jahi sida akoini makoi masen amaga nuaina da bakhana chaina ba mayam ase leiba se mayam se kauthoga akoi miyoi ba ama oina akoi Christian ni akoi Hindu ni haiba se kauthoga akoi punama human being amani hana khallaga mayam haraumina se haidana sigi program ase akoina sinjabani.
Bigo Life Amada, a Manipuri film, was premiered today at the Manipuri State Film Development Society Palace Compound, Imphal. The film release function was attended by Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, Film Forum Chairman Ace Mangoljao and several other dignitaries. The film, produced by Shunil Thangzam, is directed by Bimol Fivo. On the occasion, Minister Karam Shyam in his speech mentioned about difficulties faced by film producers in the state. He lauded the film fraternity for their dedication and hard work.
Manipur Gumba people state the film industry say the command option profit lena satpa oidabanina film producers since yamna thona thaba Manipur samaj de khanba adumba the societies were where the Borona Mohana Yamna Tai the Nova Dumba Bishopsine Haina in a logic. Adonam Filamama who talk King among the Tuduna Mahamba Tomuli Wakalon Laitana. I hit on to the Taugiana Kanba Masagi Firet Labor Kangu Soidana Oigani Havasi Akui Kudimana Kami.
A book, A Singh Basaktam, written by Laishram Memcha Devi, was released today at Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Hall, Teachers Colony of Jiribam. Manipuri Sahitya Parisat, MSP Jiribam organized the event wherein General Secretary of Assam Manipuri Sahitya Parisat, N.G. Basantakumar, President of Manipuri Sahitya Parisat, Jiribam, S. Khogendra Singh, Assistant Professor of Assam University, Dr. H. Rajmani Singh, Sahitya Bhushan IAS Thingom, and former President MSP Jiribam S. Tanubabu shared the dice. A calendar published by Barak Museum and Library was also released during the function. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur appreciated Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren for his efforts in implementing inner line permit in the state. In this regard, a meeting of FEGOCTA was held yesterday. This was informed in press release from FEGOCTA. In Meghalaya, amid the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills District has relaxed the curfew for 13 hours today in all curfew-bound areas notified under Lumdangri Police Station and Sadar Police Station and their respective outposts and bit houses. Media reports said the areas under curfew include the whole of Jau, Maukhar, Waihindo, Mission Mauprem and other vulnerable places. Northeast is on the way to face an artificial scarcity of petroleum products as well as other essential commodities very soon. According to sources, the Indian railway authorities have been instructed to stop the movement of goods trains, including trains carrying petroleum products, to the northeast, citing the unrest going on in the region in protest against CAB 2019. The people of Manipur, Assam, Tripura and Meghalaya have come out to the street to stage protests against the Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB 2019. It may be mentioned that the Northeast Frontier Railway, in an order on Wednesday, had originated a total of 30 passengers trains. And now let's have another commercial short break. Stay tuned.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahi tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Welcome back. There could be some changes in the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), Union Home Minister Amit Shah has indicated, as he blamed the Congress party for instigating violence in the Northeast, where protests have erupted leading to the death of at least 3 people. Amit Shah said he wants to assure the people of Assam and other states of the Northeast that their culture, language, social identity and political rights will not be affected by the act, a media report said. Protesters have clashed with the police in several areas of the Northeast since Parliament approved the Amendment Act earlier in the week, triggering a debate on whether the grant of citizenship could be linked to religion. The new law allows citizenship to Hindus, Parsis, Sikhs, Jains, Christians and Buddhists fleeing persecution in Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. It has ruled the Northeast, which has for long demanded protection to safeguard its cultural identity. Negotiators worked into the early hours today to try to salvage a strong global commitment in fighting climate change after some of the most vulnerable nations said they were being sidelined at Marathon UN Summit in Madrid. According to media reports, Talks were scheduled to conclude on Friday last, but extended into a second extra day as major economies and smaller states struggle to resolve outstanding issues under the 2015 Paris Agreement to tackle global warming. China has suspended additional tariff on some U.S. goods that were meant to be implemented today, after the world's two largest economies agreed a Phase 1 trade deal on Friday. The deal rumors and leaks over which have gyrated world markets for months reduces some U.S. tariff in exchange for what U.S. officials said would be a big jump in Chinese purchases of American farm products and other goods. And now we have sports news. Lilong AC Open Mini Marathon 2019 was held today, which was jointly organized by District Police Thoubal, All Lilong Anti-Drug Association, Anjuman, Lilong Sports Association, Lilong Bazar Area Development Committee, Islamic Cultural and Research Organization and Citizens Development Organization. The mini marathon was held on the theme, Run Against Drug Abuse. The marathon, which started from Lilong Police Station, concluded at Lilong Police Public Ground. Amofa Academy Moirang today kicked off the 6th Winter Grassroots Football Coaching 2019-2020, a month-long coaching camp for children who are in the age group of 6 to 12 years at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground. DFA Moirang President Kuman Yaima, Vice President N. Biren and football expert attended the opening event of the training program. Altogether, 150 players were taking part in the coaching camp, where 8 coaches led by AFC coach P.H. Surendra will train the participants. Liverpool kept their Premier League title push going strong as they overcame a resilient Watford side to win 2-0 at Anfield in Liverpool. Yesterday. As per media reports, the visitor caused plenty of problems for Liverpool from the first minute until the very last, but a goal in either half from Mohamed Salah moved the Reds one step closer to becoming the champions of England. With the win, Liverpool now move 11 points clear at the top of the league. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Students from Northeast protest against CAA in New Delhi. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan flagged off cycle rally to 3 Southeast Asian nations. And West Bengal government stops internet services after anti-CAA protests intensified. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.